Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Today I want to talk about nature. Nature gives us air to breathe, water to drink, and food at it. Yeah, food to eat. Yeah. Without nature, we cannot live. Without nature, we cannot live. So, but sometimes people forget to take care of it. We throw trash carelessly, cut down trees, or pollute the air and water. Slowly, this damages the environment and makes life harder. Nature is not just useful. Nature is not just useful. It is also beautiful. Yeah. Nature is just useful. It is also beautiful. The mountains, the sea, the sky, yeah, and the forest remind us how amazing the world is. Spending time in nature yeah, spending time in nature can make us feel them, uh, can make us feel calm, yeah, and happy. So let us protect nature by doing small things, throwing trash in the right place, saving water, planting trash, yeah, or reducing plastic use. Sorry, very small action counts. Every small action counts. The message is love nature, yeah, because if we take care of it, it will take care of us. Thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.